Reading is the key to learning, but blend phonics is the key to reading. How do you teach a child to read? Simple. Just show them how to blend the 44 sounds of the English language with concentration on the first 19 sounds, the vowels and the vowel consonant combination sounds. Good. The dictionary. The most important use of the dictionary is not for finding the definition of words, because what good is the definition of words if you can't read the words? Okay? The most important part of the dictionary is that pronunciation box. I like to call it the sound box. That is where the 44 sounds of the English language lives. I like using American Heritage, and I like using dictionary.com. And I have to say, dictionary.com is the Millennium Dictionary. And I use American Heritage to keep a check on dictionary.com. So, in this presentation right here, air, okay? No matter how the grapheme looks, okay? The main grapheme you want your child to know is the A-I-R, air. So if the word have C-A-R in it, like care, and they see it in the pronunciation about that A-I-R, they know that A-I-R, that A-R-E is going to make the air sound. Or that E-R-E in there, they see the A-I-R, they know it's going to make the air sound, okay? So, um, moving on. Air, air, air. Okay, there's an airplane flying in the air. And there's a bird flying in the air, up in the clouds in the air, up high in the air. Chair, ch, air, chair, chair. Okay, there is a red chair and there is a blue chair. Air, chair. Stare, st, air, stare, stare. Okay, you see the staircase? There are 9 steps on the staircase. Stair. Stare, st, air, stare, stare. E is silent. And you see the eyes staring at you? See them eyes looking right at you. They're staring at you, man. Okay, now this is the A-R-E, air. E is silent. E makes the A say A. Air, stare. Fair, f, air, fair, fair. Okay, that is the county fair. You get some balloons, you get some cotton candy, some ice cream at the fair, and then you might ride on the Ferris wheel at the fair. Hair, huh, air, hair, hair. Okay, you see this guy's hair? His hair is the dreadlock hair. Yaman, dreadlock hair. Share, sh, air, share, share. E is silent. Okay, the 2 kids sharing a book to read. And down there, the 2 kids sharing an umbrella because it's raining. They sharing the umbrella. And over there, they are sharing the ball together. They're playing with the ball. They are sharing. Care, air, care. Okay, now you care. E is silent. Okay, now you see the kid, he's sick, and mama got to take care of him because he's sick. And see the doctor down there? If he got to go to the doctor will take care of him. Okay? Good. Bear. B. Air. Bear. Bear. Okay? E is silent. Okay? Bare feet. You got to go put some shoes on, man. Your feet are bare. You got to go put some socks on. Your feet are bare. Bear. B. Air. Bear. Bear. Okay? Now, this is the EAR that sounds like bear. I mean, it sounds like air. Okay? A brown bear. You know, we have bare feet, BARE, and now we got bear, BEAR, bear. Good. Pear, P, air, pear, pear. Okay, you see up there? We got a pair of eyes staring at you, and we got a pair of socks, and we got a pair of shoes. Pair means two. Two eyes, two socks, two shoes. Pair of socks, a pair of shoes, a pair of eyes. Pair. Pair. P. Air. Pair. Pair. Okay, now this is the pair right here. It's like a pear what you eat. A pear that you eat. Okay? Tear. T. Air. Tear. Tear. Okay, you see how the man is tearing the paper? He tear the paper. Tear. And this word could also be tear. Like you crying a teardrop out of your eye. It could be tear. And it could be tear. Where. W. Air. Where. Where. E is silent. In the WH, in dictionary.com, you're going to see a H, W. That's W. Ear. Where. Okay, you just say like, where is my shoes? I can't find my shoes. Where is my shoes? And then mama say, have you tried looking under the bed? Okay, good. There. Th. Air. There. There. Okay. E is silent. Okay. Over there in my toy box, I have a Jack in the Box clown, a car, a dump truck, a ball, a boat, a duck, a xylophone, and that thing right there, I don't know what it is. Oh, I got a baseball bat, and it looked like a water canteen. Okay, over there in my toy box, I have all of my toys. Good. There, th, air, there, there. Okay, you can say like, this is their first day of school. Yes, first day of kindergarten. This is the first day of school. Good. No child left behind.